How to get and try Microsoft Excel Premium on your phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to try and get the premium version of Excel. So all what you have to do is go to Excel app. Now this is the home page. Go to the top right here and click on this little icon. After you click on this little icon, now choose the plan that you want. There's many options here. There is 1 terabyte cloud storage. You have if you want to pay per month or for 2 people, and click start 30 days free trial, and you will be able to try it for free for 30 days. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.